Yeah, hi. Today we will cover Java 8 interview questions and answer. So what are the main features introduced in Java 8? Lambda expressions, Stream API, functional interfaces, default and static methods in interfaces, method references, optional class, new date and time API, Java.time, Nashon, JavaScript engine. What is lambda expression? How is it used? A lambda expression is a concise way to represent an anonymous functions used to provide implementation of functional interfaces. It's just like args expression. What is a functional interface? An interface with only one abstract method. Example, just like runnable interface, comparator interface can have multiple default or static methods. What are methods references in Java 8? Shorthand for calling a method types, just like statics, class, static method, instance, object, instance method, constructor, class, new. What is the Stream API? Introduced to process collections in a functional style, support operation like map, filter, reduce. Difference between map and flat map. Map transform elements, flat map flatten stream of collection into a single stream. What is lazy evaluation in stream? Streams are evaluated only when a terminal operation is called. Intermediate operations are not executed until then. Sequential vs parallel streams. Sequential process elements in order. Parallel splits the data for multi-threading processing. What is the purpose of optional in Java 8? A container that may or may not contain a null value, non-null value, helps avoid null checks and null pointer exceptions. How do you use optional dot off method? Dot off nullable and empty. Off throws if null. Off nullable allows null. Empty creates an empty optional. Difference between or else and or else get. Or else always evaluate its argument, or else get uses a supplier and is evaluated lazily. Default based static method in interface. Default methods have body and can be overridden. Static methods belong to interface and not inherited. What if a class implements two interfaces with the same default methods? The class must override the conflicting default method to resolve ambiguity. Key classes in Java.time package. Local.date, local time, local date time, zone date time, period, duration for modern date time handling. How to sort a list with lambdas? We will use list.sort a, b dot get name dot compare to b dot get name or using comparator dot comparing method. Thank you. If you like this presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of new content.